cat hunting. Day one. The pretty kitties with that age.
5 pounds of pure eel.
She spotted me. She knows my presence. I mean no harm. Now this is crazy kitty. We have to attack fast. Hold on your stomach. It's so much more comfortable that way.
You mean business?
We're gonna have to use our weapons. I was hoping we wouldn't.
Oh God, she's coming up.
Leave this alone.
She's coming after me.
That's the harming the cat. That has pee on it. Where'd he go?
Barely Maggie.
We got him! No!
What is he? Does he have rabies?
Just mean kitty syndrome. MKS. Mean kitty syndrome. Why'd you gotta be so mean? You know, Taylor Swift made a song about you, kitty. She said, why you gotta be so mean?